In the South Sound, we get up early. We go home tired. We're not just visionaries, we're makers, hands-on and hardworking, turning our wealth of raw materials into world-class products. We work for ourselves, for our families, for our communities, and for our future. We harvest from the land and sea. We transform workers into leaders. We package the local and ship it around the globe. We design and manufacture. We build and rebuild. We are soldiers, chefs, surgeons, and artists. We are transformers. Our South Sound heritage has always been one of hard work. And our future, well, that depends on hard work too. From homegrown businesses to household names, from what we're known for to what we dream of, from the artistic to the industrial, the delicious to the durable, the life-saving to the life-changing. We raise our profile. We shine a light on our cities in the shadow of the mountain. We're ready, so let's roll up our sleeves and get to work.